Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Signing documents digitally in Google Docs saves so much time and hassle. You won't need to print, sign, scan, and re-upload ever again. It's a truly efficient way to handle paperwork directly within your cloud documents. We will explore two straightforward methods today, helping you manage your important papers with ease. Get ready to streamline your workflow and keep everything digital. You can easily draw your signature directly into any Google Doc. Just go to Insert in the top menu, then select Drawing and click plus New to open up a blank drawing canvas. Within this canvas, choose the Scribble Line tool, which allows you to freehand your signature using your mouse or trackpad. Once you are satisfied with how it looks, simply click Save and Close to insert it into your document. For a more consistent or professional signature, simply insert an image of it. Begin by signing your name clearly on a blank piece of paper, then take a sharp photo of it with your phone or webcam. Make sure to crop the image tightly around your signature, removing any excess white space. Then, in Google Docs, navigate to Insert, select Image, and choose Upload from Computer to place your signature file directly into the document. After inserting your signature, it is important to adjust its size and placement. Simply click on the signature image, and blue squares will appear around its edges. You can then drag these squares to resize it perfectly. For optimal positioning and to prevent text from shifting, select the image options and choose Wrap Text or Behind Text. This ensures your signature integrates smoothly into your document, making it look professional and secure. By adopting digital signatures in Google Docs, you are truly signing smarter, not harder. Both the drawing method and the image upload method offer incredibly simple ways to authenticate your documents. This shift saves you valuable time, reduces paper waste, and completely eliminates the need for printing and scanning. Start using these techniques today to manage your documents with greater confidence and impressive efficiency, all within Google Docs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.